5:55. I kept delaying my alarm. I wanted to get up at like 5. I wanted to get up at like 5:30 and I kept delaying my alarm. It's time to get up. God. No. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and it's freaking hella dark out. That's how you know it's not summer out. I already pre-straightened my hair last night because I always do that. Like, I always pre-straighten my hair the night before, so I did it last night at like 10 o'clock because it saves me like 30 minutes in the morning. I'm gonna just like stay straight throughout the night. I wake up like every morning for a reason. I'm gonna be using my Cetaphil moisture. Am I really getting ready for school right now? My Cetaphil moisturizer, and this is for body and face, and it's actually for all skin types. And my skin has been like dying the last couple of days, so I don't even know how I'm gonna put on makeup today because since I was in Florida last week, my skin is dry as it is, and I've been in like 90-degree weather for like a week straight. So my skin has been peeling, flaking, especially my nose. My nose always gets like super sunburned, and there's like so much like dry patches and like flaking and peeling on my nose, which is freaking disgusting. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. Blend that out. So I was just thinking about like getting ready for school and like it's here. Using my Beach Studio powder. In my last morning routine video for sophomore year, people always, like, the top #1 comment I got, did she not wash her face in the morning? Like, the first thing you do when you wake up is go do your makeup. And the answer is yes, I don't have time to wash my face in the morning, I'm gonna be honest. I know people are probably gonna think that's disgusting, but I don't care, that's not what I do, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I actually ordered a crap ton of lashes the other day. These are all lashes. Because I needed new ones for school. I don't know if I'm gonna be wearing lashes every day to school, but I want to make it a goal, but I can't even achieve wearing mascara every day, so I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm using my Kiss Lash Glue. My alarm keeps shutting off my recording. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Is this freaking crap dry? No, honey, not today. I don't know why I'm bothering with lashes right now. But lashes are kind of the only thing that can save this mess that's going on right now, because my skin is gonna look so bad today. I can already tell this isn't gonna want to cooperate. I can already tell. I called it that these lashes weren't gonna work. Now you'll stick. Why did I think that I could just like wake up at 6 in the morning, not even know how to like put on mascara this early, and then like just pop on fake eyelashes? I'm gonna be using the That's Heart collab with for the highlighter. It looks atrocious when I look down, but we don't have time. It's 6:22, you guys. I have to be up. My bus comes at 6:39. The bus stop's like right up the street. My bus comes at 6:39. So why am I still filling with my eyelashes? I'm gonna be using the One Round Natural Finish. Okay. Okay. We're good, guys. And we're good. My eyelashes, I know are gonna fall off throughout the day, and if they do, I'm literally just ripping them off and throwing them in the trash. I'm not even gonna try and salvage them. Really? These light jeans? I like these dark jeans. I'm gonna wear a watch. I'm getting ready for school right now. That's the watch. I picked out my black Air Forces. This outfit's really plain. If anyone doesn't know why I just did that face, look back at my last year's video, please. I'm freaking out of breath. That's how you know school is stressed. School is stressing with that freaking breath. I just went and brushed my teeth. My dad is taking a shower, as you can probably hear, so I didn't want to film it. But, oh, I can't even smell her today. I went to the store yesterday and bought some snacks for class. I bought hot Cheetos and Takis. Which one should I bring, the Takis or the hot Cheetos? FML. Honestly though, FML. Okay. 6:34, which is actually the time that I leave. So, goodbye, Snickers. I love you so much. Goodbye. I love you so much. Can you see the bus down there? That's how you know. My eyelashes look freaking janky. Here's the bus.